Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to bring you guys this quick tutorial and my review on the Valentino 80 collection. These are absolutely stunning. I was blown away by this whole set, honestly. This was my first time using Valentino. The whole collection was $80 plus tax, which was pretty spendy, but honestly I can see why, because it's like, you know, it's quantity over quality, and you definitely are getting our quality here. So yeah, this collection is available. Obviously, I had a lot of fun. I actually did marbling for my very first time using acrylic while doing the lazy girl method, which was super fun. I love how today's nails turned out, and I hope that you guys do too. If you've been in the nail game or you love acrylics, chances are you've heard of Valentino. They are, if not the best, one of like the top 5 best companies when it comes to acrylic in the game. I'm sure, you know, the video doesn't do it justice, but you can tell just by like how it sets, you know, on my brush, and then seeing it being swatched, the consistency, the color payoff, just everything about these acrylics are absolutely amazing. Their formula was just, I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, I just really loved it, and it makes me want to go buy so many more Valentino acrylics because this is my favorite line now. Like, look at that. So pretty. So here are the swatches from this collection, and there's literally endless possibilities of what you could do. So my nails are pretty much already prepped from my last video, so I'm going to be skipping the nail prep today, and today I'm using these full cover squared nails by Nail Couture. And today I was practicing doing the marble method, and here's this cute like unicorn one I came up with, and then here's these other two that were like, okay, they're like my very first ones, but they were still cute. So today for the lazy girl method, using acrylic, taking my full cover soft gel nails, and as you guys know, I'm just shaping, filing the cuticle so that it fits my nail bed perfectly. These nails obviously just come how they are, and they don't fit everyone's nails, so make sure you do that beforehand. And I'm also using this Mia Secret white powder and this Candy Acrylics, I think it's called Tulip, I believe, and this Mia Secret clear acrylic powder for today's set. So, oh, and these little cute flakes that I got from India as well. They're so cute. They're like little like twinkle stars, you know? So to use the twinkle stars, I'm applying a thin coat of clear acrylic, and then I'm putting the twinkle stars just in the clear so that it sets and doesn't move anywhere. Kind of like, you know, using base coat, except not using base coat and curing, just using the acrylic, and you don't need a lamp either, which is really nice. But I will get to why the clear is like a little bit iffy at the end. So I was just like messing around at the cuticle, and I loved how it came out right there. So I'm just kind of remaining to doing the same thing. So to do this marble lazy girl method, it actually works really, really good, and it's really easy. You're going to watch me lay the colors into each other. So I stack them, like not obviously on top of one another, but like stairs, you know, I stack the acrylics, and I do like really wet, thin beads. And while the beads are wet and thin, I take the edge of my brush and I just kind of swirl it together until I like how it looks. I'm taking the glitter tulip and I'm kind of just placing it in random places, and it looked so cute when I flipped it over. If you do try this method, make sure to keep your brush really clean because, you know, I'm just going through so many different colors, and it can just be really easy to forget to wipe your brush. And you definitely don't want to ruin your nice acrylic brush, so make sure to wipe it. And then after I got everything how I wanted it, since it's acrylic and it's lazy girl method, the product tends to sink to the middle of the nail. So I would take like thicker beads and kind of put them around the edge of the nail to get rid of all of the clear parts, if that makes sense. So you guys, I'm going to tell you something that happened to me while I was doing this set. I was like so proud of myself marbling with acrylic like this. Like, it literally turned out so cute. And I wasn't putting them on as I was finishing each nail. I was letting them sit. And because I put clear in the nail before, it did something to the nails, and it shrunk the nails like to literally a kid size. I'm not even kidding. Like, I got done with all the nails, okay, and then I go to put them on, and they're literally half the size of my nail. And I was heartbroken because I worked so hard on these. They turned out so cute. And to be honest, I had to go in and do a whole new set. And it was, yeah. And of course, my second set, like, in my opinion, it doesn't look as cute as this set I'm doing now. But it looks like pretty close. So either way, at the end result, they turned out bomb and I love them. But yeah, so if you haven't done Lazy Girl Method on your nails before, it's a good idea to put each nail on while you're going. I didn't do that this time and I paid the price, but if you're gonna put it on while you're going, as you should, you're gonna want to start at the tip of the nail and work down to the cuticle. That way, when you get to the cuticle area is wet still, and you can just plop it onto your nail and it will stick and harden, if that makes sense. On this nail, I just did like a random little design and then filled it in with some little twinkle stars and put just the plain old pink, which I'm glad I did because it looked really cute. And these twinkle stars were kind of annoying me, so I would like take a little baby thing of white acrylic and dip it in the twinkle star and then put that in the nail, and it like worked better than using like my my rhinestone picker. But yeah, I love this method so much. I just suggest that you put the nails on as you go. Don't do what I did and wait till they're all done, because like I'm pretty sure the clear shrunk them up and it was heartbreaking. I mean, I guess my daughter could wear them now because they're that small. Just kidding. My daughter's not going to wear them. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I did this I did this video pretty quick for you guys. My camera died as I was putting on my rhinestones, so I skipped my I skipped my rhinestone application, but it's all good. So don't be mad. Also, thank you to everyone that entered my Anal Couture giveaway. It ends tomorrow, which is Saturday, the 28th. And yeah, I had a lot of people enter. It was a good turnout, and I'm just really grateful for you guys. So when that giveaway ends, I'm going to be doing the Beatles giveaway. I just didn't want to have like two going on at the same time, and I had to get that one out with Max. So, okay, so here's the final result. These are the nails I had to redo and put them on, and I had to put them on using clear acrylic. So once you're done, if you put like a little bit of clear acrylic, it will stick a lot better to your nail. And here are the original nails that I did that didn't end up fitting. And you can see the difference. They're not like extreme difference, but you know, little things in here. You can't ever do like the same nail twice, right? So now that they're all applied, I'm going in, I'm just buffing all of the nails. And once I do that, I then am going to take my favorite E-bit. Is it called the E-bit? My favorite bit for my E-file in the entire world, which you guys have seen me use over and over. My cuticle sealer, and I'm just going to seal all my cuticles. Since these are like press-on nails, kind of like your homemade press-on nails, you can really sometimes see like that harsh difference between your cuticle and the press-on nail. So I just suggest doing this so you make it flush. What am I talking about? Flush. Yes, you make it flush and it just looks chef's kiss. One thing I did want to say is that because the acrylic is obviously different than polygel really fills that nail up and acrylic doesn't. So I had like that gap, as you guys could kind of see, between like on my pointer finger. And so I took my file and I just like really filed that down. Otherwise you could like see that gap, which was kind of annoying. Polygel doesn't do that, but acrylic does. And then just make sure you file your edges nice and crisp so they look good. And then after that, I'm going to be applying base coat. I'm using just this one I had right here. And I wanted to remind you guys that if you do this, make sure that you literally you marble the acrylic right away. Because if you wait even like a second, then it's gonna look like an army nail. And some of these nails look like an army nail to me because I didn't get it marbled fast enough, so the colors kind of like stayed where they are and it looked marbled. But you guys, look at how beautiful this is. So India gave this to me, this a beautiful rhinestone box that I use all my rhinestones in now. It's like velvet. It's so nice on the outside. She put my name on the front and it's just so beautiful. Since I missed my rhinestone application, I wanted to show you guys. And I'm using these pink ones and they came in these like little clear containers, which were kind of crazy. And I'm also using these Swarovski ones. This is my first time using, I don't know how to say it, Swarovski, is that how you say it? This is my first time using these kind, and which was really cool. So after I got all the rhinestones on, here's a little sneak peek. I'm going to be taking top coating all of my nails. I was really weary of putting top coat on the Swarovski ones because I was worried it was gonna like ruin the shine of them. I don't know if it will. Let me know if you guys, if it ruins the shine or not. I put top coat on all the other ones because sometimes when I use my rhinestone picker, I go to pick up rhinestones, it'll have like a little bit of like base coat on it or whatever, and just putting the top coat like makes it better, you know? And I love those like pink rhinestones. I've never used them before. My first set doing it. I've seen a bunch of girls use them and they're just so cute. And India also gave those to me as well. So shout out to you, girl. And now I'm just going to cure those. So last but not least, I'm taking my Blissful Cream Nails cuticle oil. This stuff smells so good. Drenching my fingers in that because Lord knows I needed it. And here are the final nails that I did. This is the Valentino 80s Collection Review, Lazy Girl Method, Marble, all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you'll try this out in the comments or if you've already done this, this type of nails, and yeah, all that good stuff. So I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for all your support. You guys are awesome. Mwah. Bye. And of course, shout out to my channel members, Shelly Bateman, Carol Parker, Karen Gonzalez, Curvy Girl Nails, Miss Potkins The Riot, Kimberly Cannon, Enrique Only Good, and Michelle Foy.